How to make moon water.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Celestial Moon, where I discuss a variety of topics centered around harnessing your divine spiritual magic. Today we'll be making moon water. Moon water is a water that is placed under the light of the moon and imbued with its power. Interested? Cool. It's super easy and anyone can do it. First, you'll want to grab a bottle or a container with a lid. Make sure to sage the bottle or container. I also like to sage my sink area for just some extra good vibes because, well, why not? Next, fill up your water bottle with some clean distilled water. If you plan on ingesting your moon water, make sure the water is actually drinkable. This is filtered water that I have here. It's a filtered faucet. Then I like to place a crystal with cleansing properties on top to purify it a bit further. It's not necessary, but some people, including myself, do like to do this. You can even put a water-safe crystal inside to help harness the moon's energy more intensely in your moon water. This long crystal is a selenite wand, and this smaller one is a crystal quartz point. They're both really great for cleansing and purifying, and you can actually find them on my Etsy store, Celestial Moon Healing, which I'll make sure to link for you in the comments section. I just love to leave it on top for about 30 seconds to a minute and set an intention. You can set the intention in your mind, or you can even physically write it down. Pro tip: before you choose your intention, look up which zodiac sign the moon will be in and familiarize yourself with that zodiac's energy and characteristics. For example, a full moon in Capricorn is really good for setting an intention around creating structure in your life to obtain your goals. Place the bottle outside overnight where it will absorb the full reach of lunar energy. You can leave it on a windowsill indoors. Just make sure that the moonlight beams can reach it. In the morning, grab your bottle and use it in whatever way you want. I personally love to add it to my tea and infuse myself with the charged intention I set and manifest my dreams from the inside out. Now check out part 2 for different ways to use moon water. Hope you found this video helpful. Follow Celestial Moon XO for more magical content. Stay blessed.